All right, this is my final follow-up on the Looney sell position. I entered early. I'll post a link to both the analysis as well as the initial entry of the trade so that you can follow along. Right now, I have reached my partial profit. It has been closed, and you can tell that thus far I made a nice little profit right here. So $179. So I'm going to click on OK. And automatically, as you can tell now, my stop loss and my remaining profit has been readjusted. I don't have to do anything about this. So now I'm just going to let this run. Normally what I do is I move my stop loss now below my entry point because it's a sell position. If it was a buy position, I would move my stop loss above my entry point. But given that I'm relatively close to my entry point, I'm going to let it go a little deeper down, and then I will move my stop loss, which is minus $21 right now, below my sell position. Whatever I can squeeze out, I'll squeeze out, and that way I am guaranteed that I won't have a losing trade no matter what. And even if I were not to move my stop loss, since there's only $21 remaining as a possible loss right here, that means that if I were to subtract this from the 179, I would still have $158 in profit. Of course, that's not what I want to do. So like I said, once it's still continuing to go in my direction right here, as you can tell. So once this go a little further down, I will take my stop loss and I will drag it to about right here, which means $10, give or take, because that's where we are right now. And then no matter what happens, whether whether the price triggers the profit or it retraces and triggers the stop loss, it doesn't matter anymore because I have a winning trade no matter how you slice the pie. So let's click on our admin report, and there you see thus far I'm having two trades, which is right. I have the one I made profit with of $179, but I have minus $7.78 right here, as I mentioned earlier, in financing fees. And the reason it's saying that thus far I'm having two trades is because the partial profit, in order to take partial profit, I have to close the initial trade and reopen up a second trade, which to reflect the profit I took and readjust my stop loss and my remaining take profit, which, by the way, the bot does for me all on autopilot. ATP, by the way, as you can see right here, that means that I actually have my setup set as automatically take profit. So this is it. Now you know where this trade ends up. No matter what, I'm having a profitable trade. That's it for today. Take care of yourself, and as always, God bless.